We want to show you briefly a couple electro-hydraulic grabs recently finished and ready to deliver to the waste energy plant. The equipment are an electro-hydraulic grabs with a volume of 6 cubic meters and is designed to handle municipal waste material up to 0.7 density. The arms are designed with half-open shells of a special great strength, manufacturing electro-welded steel plates 355. The dead weight of these grabs are 4.3 tons. Credible is a specialist in designing and building grabs for many sectors and applications. Credible's people are continuously working to develop and build the most efficient and cost-effective grabs. We want to present a recent technological development system called GIITS system. The wireless GIITS system means the grab intelligent interface and transmission system. The system enables secure and real-time communication between grab and the crane's PLC. It consists of a transmitter-receiver assembly to simplify wiring and improve the quality of operating information, opening the door to a possible automation. The main advantage of GIITS technology system is that automation of manipulators is made much simpler and cheaper. It even opens the door to the modernization of equipment that does not have the necessary electrical wiring in the reel. The principal functionalities of the GIITS system are the grab and crane signal collection, configuration and basic display of signals, interconnection of signals from different equipment wireless, and very important, interconnection with digital bluetooth. The data that you can collect it from the GIITS system are accessible via website in platforms such as smartphones, laptops, wherever. So which shows a dashboard of all grabs that are equipped with GIITS. In the next post we will explain more in detail advantage and the extensive benefits that GIITS and digital blue provide.